Interactive graphic is when you pass the mouse, you receive new information, extra information, see? See that the profit here is 70k. In this category of supply, the profit is 56k. But here, the profit of furniture is 7k. Although the sales are equivalent in the three categories, the profit of furniture is 10 times less than other two categories. Now, let's see how to create this graphic in the Tableau. Let's open the dataset. Go here to Microsoft Excel. Then, choose the sample Superstore. You have here three spreadsheets: orders, people, and returns. Let's go to orders. Double click. Then you can see the data here. Then click in sheet 1. Now click here in sales and hold and drag to rows. Now this is the total sum of sales. Let's break in categories. Click here category, hold and drag to columns. See, now we have furniture, office suppliers, and technology. Let's break down the information even more. Let's look for segment and drag segment here in the marks. And here click on colors. If you pass the mouse over the bar, you are not going to see the profit, only sales. To add the profit, click here in profit and drag to marks. Now see that there's the profit as well.